A galaxy is a vast system of stars, gas, dust, dark matter, and other celestial objects bound together by gravity. Galaxies are the fundamental building blocks of the universe and come in various shapes and sizes. Types of galaxies. Galaxies are classified into three main types based on their shape. Spiral galaxies have a central bulge with spiral arms extending outward. Example: the Milky Way galaxy, our home galaxy, and Andromeda galaxy. Some contain a mix of young and old stars. 2. Elliptical galaxies, oval or spherical in shape, mostly made up of older stars with little gas or dust, so fewer new stars are formed. Example: M87, a giant elliptical galaxy, were regular galaxies. No definite shape, often chaotic in appearance, usually formed by galaxy collisions or gravitational interactions. Example: the large and small Magellanic Clouds. Key features of galaxies. On stars, a single galaxy can contain millions to trillions of stars. Up to black holes. Many galaxies, including the Milky Way, have a supermassive black hole at their center. Dark matter, a mysterious, invisible substance that makes up most of a galaxy's mass. Fog. 4. Nebulae. Clouds of gas and dust where new stars are born. How big are galaxies? Galaxies can range from dwarf galaxies with a few billion stars to giant galaxies with over 100 trillion stars. Chapter 2. The Milky Way is about 100,000 light-years across and contains over 200 billion stars. Galaxy clusters and superclusters. Galaxies are not alone. They group together in clusters. 2. These clusters form even larger structures called superclusters. 3. The Laniakea supercluster is where our Milky Way belongs. How are galaxies formed? Galaxies form when gravity pulls gas and dust together over billions of years. They evolve through mergers and interactions with other galaxies,